In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete emails in Hostinger. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to manage their Hostinger email more effectively by cleaning up their inbox. The steps are straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clutter-free mailbox. Step 1. Visit Hostinger and log in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Once there, locate the login button and proceed with mail ID and password. Step 2. Access the hPanel dashboard. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the hPanel, Hostinger's control panel. This is your central hub for managing all your hosting services, domains, and email accounts. Step 3. Open the email settings. From the hPanel home screen, click on Emails in the dashboard menu. Locate the domain associated with the email you want to delete, and then click on Manage. Under the Email Accounts section, find the specific email address you'd like to remove. Click the 3 dots button next to that email address. From the dropdown menu, select Delete. Finally, confirm when prompted to permanently remove the email account and all of its contents. Deleting emails from Webmail. If you just want to clean up the inbox without deleting the entire email account, you can do that through Webmail. Click on Webmail next to your email account in hPanel, then go to the Mail section. From there, select the emails you want to delete and hit the Delete button. This will move them to the trash and help declutter your mailbox. Final thoughts, and that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've successfully deleted an email account or cleaned up your inbox through Hostinger. Regularly managing and removing unused accounts or clearing out old emails helps you stay organized and ensures optimal email performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Hostinger tutorials.